In an ever-connected world, the demand for real-time data processing and AI deployment has never been more critical. But what happens when you venture into remote environments where traditional cloud computing falls short? Welcome to the world of adaptive edge computing, a groundbreaking approach that's redefining how we process data and deploy AI in the most challenging locations. Imagine a future where data is processed at lightning speed, right at the source, ensuring that critical decisions are made in real time. This is the promise of adaptive edge computing. By bringing computation closer to where data is generated, edge computing minimizes latency, enhances reliability, and provides a seamless experience, even in the most remote corners of the globe. One of the key aspects of adaptive edge computing is its ability to operate independently of centralized networks. This is particularly crucial in environments where connectivity is sparse or unreliable. Think about oil rigs in the middle of the ocean, remote wind farms, or even autonomous vehicles navigating through rural landscapes. In these scenarios, edge computing not only ensures data is processed efficiently, but also reduces the bandwidth needed to transmit information back to central servers. Moreover, adaptive edge computing is empowering AI to function more effectively in remote areas. By processing AI algorithms at the edge, we can achieve faster response times and improved accuracy, which is vital for applications like real-time video analytics, predictive maintenance, and environmental monitoring. This localized processing also enhances privacy and security, as sensitive data can be analyzed and acted upon without ever leaving the edge device. Now, let's delve into some real-world applications. In agriculture, for instance, edge computing is being used to enhance precision farming practices. Sensors deployed across vast fields collect data on soil moisture, crop health, and weather conditions, all processed locally to provide farmers with actionable insights. In healthcare, mobile clinics equipped with edge computing devices offer immediate diagnostics and patient data analysis in remote communities, where access to traditional medical facilities is limited. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, adaptive edge computing will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of industries across the globe. Its ability to bring the power of the cloud to the edge ensures that no matter where you are, the benefits of real-time data processing and AI are within reach. In conclusion, adaptive edge computing is not just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about data and AI. As we harness the full potential of edge computing, we open doors to innovation, efficiency, and connectivity like never before. So, whether you're an industry leader, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future, consider how adaptive edge computing could transform your world. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who are passionate about technology and innovation. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below and explore the limitless possibilities of adaptive edge computing together.